Okay, guys, so in this video, I'll be recording all about 10 top cryptocurrencies, crypto coins. So let's get started. So obviously, you guys know told you in many videos that Bitcoin is the number one and the first and the you know most important cryptocurrency and most important coin. So here you can see I'm on Coin Market Cap. So it's like Coin Market Cap, and here I can even sign up and I can log in. I don't want to do sign up, I don't want to log in, but I can do both. So if I click sign up, so I just have to enter my email, enter my password, and I can get started with his. And I already have an account. If you already have an account, you can just go to log in. Why I am giving this? I don't want to log in or I don't want to create an account. I'm just giving an quick review. So you guys, if you want to do anything on coin market app cap, so you can do that. So in here also you need to enter your email address, the password. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so here you can see we have some options here. So first of all, we'll see all the options. What do they say? So first of all, cryptocurrencies. We are on cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, and many others. So in here you can see by ranking, by global chart, by spotlight, by gainers and losers, recently added historical snapshot. So these are the things by which you can see all the crypto currencies and everything. Then I'll not go to all of these because it will take time, but inshallah in any other video I'll show you all of these with ranking, with global charts, with spotlight and everything. Then we have exchanges, which is spot, the DEX, where to buy, okay, derivatives. So here in exchanges, you can spot. I'll just click to just give you an example, right? So you can see here exchange score, right? So here it's like that. Then you are on portfolio, right? So what's portfolio? Let's just see what's portfolio. It's your portfolio. Keep track of your profits, losses, and portfolio valuation with your easy to use platform. So for that you need to log in, or you need to sign in, or you need to create your portfolio, which is your account, your uh, you know page on coin market cap. Then there is watch list. Let me see. So in my watch list, we had an update for you. Okay, I don't want to check it out. Cancel this. Okay, your watch list is empty, so start building your watch list by clicking button below. So if I'll add any coin in here, then it will be in my watch list. Okay, so just, okay, this is watch list, and then it's ICO calendar. So let's get see what's it. Okay, so ICO calendar is a ongoing project. Okay, project or an ongoing project, upcoming project. So these are upcoming projects. You can see. So they are even ends in 5 hour, ends in days left, and everything. Then the product. The products have mobile apps, blockchain explorer, interest, jobs board, converter, and everything. So I'll just go to product and I'll see what a review just for products. Okay, just leave product, just learn, and it's over. But I just want to go to cryptocurrency, right? In cryptocurrency, I just want to show you top 10 cryptocurrencies, because my today's topic is top 10 cryptocurrencies. My today's topic is not coin market cap, or my today's topic is not the features of coin market cap, or not a review of coin market cap. Inshallah, one day I'll give a review of coin market cap, but today it's just about 10 top 10 coins, and which we can easily get to know on this website which is known as CoinMarketCap. So first of all, we have Bitcoin. Here you can see $58,509.41. 24-hour percentage 0.64%. 7 days percentage 5.95 dollars. Then market cap, it's this market cap, then volume is this, and then circulating supply is this. There they are also giving you the last 7 days chart, so you'll just see that. Okay, so here we have the Bitcoin chart with us, and you can just select, all. It's telling us from zero, it's telling us from 2013 and 2012. We don't want to see 2013, 2012. We just want to see, uh, for example, we just want to see one day. So you just click one day, and it will come in front of you, right? It will come of 4th April, it will come of 5th 4th April. Okay, so this is the 4th April price chart, but the difference is the timing, right? It's going down, then it's coming up, it's going down, it's coming up. So this, the highest was at this point. This point was the highest point with the Bitcoin, and the lowest point was this at 5 o'clock, around 5 o'clock in this uh, a.m. So if 5 o'clock a.m. It was the lowest, and it was the highest at uh, 6 p.m. Not 6 a.m. It's 6 p.m. Like, 6 p.m. So the a.m. and p.m. are different. Okay. Then there is a market cap uh, chart. There's a trading view Bitcoin chart, so you can get many updates on this. Then here I want to give you the review. That's why I'll not introduce with you with these options, these options, these options. But there are so many options. This is also an option. This is also an option. But because I'm not giving a review of cap market, coin market cap. That's why I'll not introduce with these extra, options which are not included in the first 10 uh, coins. So first is Bitcoin. The price, everything. Okay, so it's changing. It was red, then it was green, then it become red, then now it's black. So it's changing, right? Now it right. It's changed, and it was changed into green. It's now green, right? So then Ethereum, when there's a little bit different, obviously you will get a difference. I told you a different price, but now this is a different price. Now this is also a different price. So when they'll get update on the price, so the color will change into green. So now the price is 58,545.69 dollars, right? But when I told you the price, it was different. And 1 second back, it was 544, right? So it's changing. Now it's 83. It was something 60. Now it's 27. Now it's reducing. So when it reduced, it's red, and when it upgrades, or when it gets high, it's green. Then we have Ethereum. So Ethereum's price is 2077.53, and look, it's changed into green. Now it's not 53, it's 65. Then 24 hour is 1.07%. Then 7-day percent, uh, 23.92%. And market cap and volume, circulating supply, last 7 days chart. I'm not showing you the chart because you know that how to check the chart, so you can just visit this app and you can check the chart. Then Binance Coin is here. uh, So it's 3,300 $502.82, and the percentage of 24th hour is 5.19%. 7-day person is 33.2524%. Then market capitalization volume, um sorry, uh, the volume and the circulation supply and the chart. Then 1 minute. Sorry, I need to do it by ranking because it's now for the. Then it's Tether, which is USDT, and it's $1.00, and 24th hour percentage is $0.04. 7-day percent is 0.09% and then market capitalization, volume, and the chart for USDT. Then you have Polkadot, which is DOT, and it's $43.71, 0.88%, 37.97%. Then this is market cap, and this is volume. This is the circulating supply and a chart. Then we have right. Then we have Cardano. So Cardano is known as ADA, and 1.19 is the dollar is the price, and 1.01% is the 24-hour uh, percentage. 7-day percentage is $0.76, 76%. Sorry, and market capitalization, volume, circulating supply, 7 days chart, and its last 7 days. It's written here, but you can see it for 1 year. You can see it for 1 day as well. So it's up to you. There are different options given, as I told you in the first chart. Then it's 8. Then it's 7, which is XRP, and XRP is like 0.62112. It was something else, but now it's just changed in a second, and it's changed like second. Then 24 hours percentage is 1.70%. Then 7-day percent is 13.81%. Then market capitalization, volume, and circulating supply. Then there's Unisap. Here's the price for it: $31.04, 1.72%, 12.17%. Market capitalization, volume for 24 hours, and circulating supply and the chart. Litecoin, $203.40, 1.20%, 11.23%. Market capitalization, volume. The last is Chainlink. Chainlink is known as LINK, which is link. So it's $30.84. Then it's 0.15% in 24-hour percent, and in here it's 16.66%, and then it's market capitalization, volume, and circulating supply and the chart. So that's it for today. In my next video, I'll be telling you about uh, you know different 10 coins, which will start from 11, right? So bye for now.